Click on the link below to get price. The HP EliteDesk 805G9 business desktop computer with AMD Ryzen 5 8500G offers a commendable blend of performance, efficiency, and design, making it an outstanding choice for professionals and businesses alike. Upon unboxing, the first impression is the sleek, compact design that fits seamlessly into any office environment, saving valuable desk space without sacrificing style. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 5 8500G processor, this desktop delivers impressive computing power that often outperforms the Intel i7-11700 in various tasks, particularly in multi-threaded applications and graphics-intensive workloads. The 6-core configuration allows for smooth multitasking, enabling users to run numerous applications simultaneously without any lag. This is particularly beneficial for professionals who may need to work with demanding software for design, data analysis, or virtual meetings. The EliteDesk 805G9 comes with ample RAM and storage options, ensuring quick data access and sufficient space for files and applications. With up to 64 GB of RAM and a choice between SSD and HDD storage, users can customize the system to their specific needs, which is essential for businesses that rely on fast performance and reliability. One notable feature is the robust security options integrated into the system, including hardware-based security features that protect sensitive data from potential threats. This is critical for organizations handling confidential information. Connectivity is another strong suit of the HP EliteDesk 805G9. It comes equipped with numerous ports, including USB-C, USB 3.2, and HDMI, allowing for easy connection to various peripherals and monitors. This versatility ensures that users can set up their workstations according to their preferences. In summary, the HP EliteDesk 805G9 business desktop computer stands out as a powerful, efficient, and secure option for business users. Its combination of performance, customizable features, and thoughtful design makes it a worthy investment for any professional setting. Whether for everyday tasks or more demanding applications, this desktop is sure to meet and exceed expectations.